Hello everyone, this is question number 17. This question is belong to communication. According to behavioral model, the communication approach is considered as 4 option has been given in which we need to identify that which one is the approach which will consider in the behavioral model. Here is the contrived, natural, reward punishment based and intent. In order to answer this question, we must know the values of these, the meaning of these terms are. So contrived and natural and innate means these are the synonym of each other, and that means is which is inbuilt. So a person is behavioral which is inbuilt, or we can say implicit. So we know that every personality having its own behavior pattern. For example, a person can be aggressive, a person can be introvert, a person can be extrovert. On the basis of these behavior, we can categorize a person behavior. All these are the different types of a person can react in certain scenarios. Here the next term is contrived. So contrived is basically which is not natural, or we can say which is artificial. We are forcing someone to act in a certain way in a situation. So here we are forcing someone, or we can say which is not real, unrealistic behavior of a person. So here we are talking about the behavioral model which is, and we can use that in the communication approach. Which communication approach we are basically using? This question is specifically belongs to when a teacher student communication is going on, and a teacher has to deal with the student behavior over here. So reward punishment is a thing which is used by the teacher in order to maintain the decorum of the class, or in order to teach the students. Here reward means when reward increases the frequency of the behavior, because when a student does his or her homework on time and student give rewards to him, that means that it is increase the behavior, increase the frequency of the behavior. However, while reinforcement remains somewhat constant. Now rewards vary greatly, like rewards can be money, rewards can be fame, and rewards can be prize as well. Now in terms of punishment are the unwanted events that decrease the frequency of the behavior they follow. That means if a student is misbehave in the class or don't do his or her homework on time, and student give punishment for their goods, it is not always effective for altering the behavior of the long term. Here the approach which is used by the teacher that comes under behavioral model, we could say that it is reward punishment based. So the correct option for this question will be option number 3rd.